这里开始了吗？ Welcome you, welcome everybody here. Welcome to Colorado channel. Welcome all of you to visit us and watch our live broadcast. Here what you see is the new model of the printer, CO60 Pro. So you can see this is two rollers. The two rollers continuously working, and with the roller, it could be the optional longer size. It can be customized. So with the shorter one, you could print for sock, and with longer one, you could print for sleep covers, and for even longer one, you could print for the leggings. So this is the multiple function printer. This is the new launched one.你这里要换车了吗？对，换个车来吧。然后开始的话，我们就这里了。你换车大概需要多久？So here, it could print for sock, and sock printing material could be multiple. Polyester one, fake nylon one, or nylon, or cotton, or the natural fiber of bamboo, or even wool fabric. So just different material, different printing solution, and with the different ink, everything could be possible. 然后这里 Hello, welcome back. Welcome back to our Colorado channel. Welcome back to watch our live broadcast. So if you have time and follow us, welcome all of you to subscribe us. So every week we will be in live, and our live time will be Wednesday, Chinese time, in the afternoon, 3:30 to 4 p.m. And European time will be in the morning of Wednesday. So Friday, also the same time. You can just follow us and watch our live broadcast. Happy New Year. Hi, welcome you. Okay, so Happy New Year, and hope you already had a nice holiday with your family reunion during this holiday. Okay, so hope that everybody already back to work. So after you back from the holiday and start with the New Year printing job and what you need to do. And last time, we already talked about what you should do before you leave for the holiday. And today, we will talk about once you're back from holiday, what you need to do. So with the current customer who already running with our sock printer, and what you need to do is after you're back from holiday, first thing is to check the head status. So here, once you start with the printer, you need to check the printing head status. And by controlling the software, you need to get a check to see what's the head status it is. You could see for CMYK 4 colors, if the printing head status is good. So how to judge what is the good status or not? So here you can see the black color. This line, we cannot see it very clearly. It's not sharp enough. But here, this head, it is. So like this one, it is good. And this one, you might need to clean a little bit. And like the magenta. So this color, for the two heads, the status are good. Both are good. So you see the lines is sharp and it's continuously connection with each other. And yellow one, also you could see a little bit red color on the yellow one. So it means that it stained a little bit with this yellow color with the red. So it means that you need to check and you need to clean the print head. So after cleaning, so after cleaning, you need to control it by the software and do the cleaning one time. Once you did that, you see here it is under cleaning. So it will flow the ink first, and then the capping will be full of the ink, and then clean the head. You see the ink drops from the head. And then it will be cleaned and scratched by the rubber. Okay, so after that, you do the check again. And once the head status is getting better, then you can start printing. Okay, so this is what you need to do. And now the cleaning is finished. So you need to 第二个 check. 再查一次. You need to check it again. See how it improved. 不是那个打印一次，So we can see later to compare the 2 times cleaning, before cleaning and after cleaning, how the head status is. Now it's under printing. So we will see soon how the head status is. You see here. Okay. So the blue is okay. And black, compare with just now. Now it's a little bit better, right? So you can try with it for the printing job. It should be no big influence. And here also we can try. Okay, so what you need to do after you back from the holiday is to check the status first. And then after that, if you found the head status is not good enough, and then do the cleaning. So after cleaning, check it again. And then you can start your business. So hope in the new year, your printing career will be the prosperous and successful. Okay, thank you for watching. And maybe the new audience who come to our live broadcast, and you may know nothing about us. So let me introduce who we are. We are Ningbo Haishu, Colorado technology company. And our company was established at 2015. So at the first beginning, in the first 5 years, we launched with our first generation of the printer, which was the flat scanning printing mode. So with the single roller, and once the print head moving from this side to the other side, and then this roller turns a little bit, it prints. So it just prints on the flat surface. And after one time printing is finished, the print head with the cartridge will back to the station, and then the roller turn a little bit. So with the blank area, it will print again. So like this, it was called flat scanning printing mode. So with this kind of printing mode, the production efficiency was limited. At that time, it was around 25 to 30 pairs of the printing sock each hour. So later, we established our own research and developing department. We have our own developing team. So we researched from the machine designs, from the artwork, from the first beginning, and then till the manufacture of the printer, and later with the printing solution. So every steps of this whole printing supply chain, we just do it ourselves. We can control it very well. So after that, we also upgrade our software developing, and we choose the top brand of the Spanish brand, which is the New Stampa. So with wider color range, so you could get the sharp and the vibrant color for the printed sock. And after 5 years later, since we established our research and developing department and also upgraded the software, we launched our second printing machine. That was the COAT 1200 Pro. At that time, the printing mode already changed from the flat scanning to the rotating scanning, to the rotating printing. So it means that still one roller, and during printing, during the print head moving from one side to the other, the roller just rotates themselves. So it's just continuously printing without any stop. At that time, the production efficiency was improved from the 25 to around 30 pairs, improved to around 40, 45, 48 pairs per hour. So that was a big improvement with our own research and developing team. What we did, and we did it. So later, in 2021, we launched with our third generation, with the multiple function one. So what you saw just now, this one, the 4 rollers. COAT 210 Pro. So this was the third generation of our printer. And also with this machine, we also developed the new function for the software. We upgraded with the auto print. So it means that you have multiple designs without any stop during printing. You just set it up in the software and just you print it from the first design to the 30 designs. It will go automatically. What you need to do is the operator just standing there and load up the sock and load off the sock. That's it. So the software just can realize all these different multiple designs without any break. And also with this machine, we launched with the new visual printing system, which you can get any colorful knitted sock. And the camera just captures the color first and scan it into a computer and read it. So once this data input to your printer, it just knows in advance that it has colored parts. And just during printing time, it just skip over to the colored one, only printing for the blank one. So white color parts only to be printed. So these are all what we have, what we experienced, what we developed in the past years. So hope that in the coming years, we can get any new developing and with multiple function of our printer. So with above brief introduction, hope that you have a clue who we are and what we do. Hi, welcome. Welcome all of you to visit us and follow our YouTube channel, Joan, Colorado. And also welcome you to watch our live broadcast. Our live broadcast will be held in every week, twice a week. Will be Wednesday at Chinese time, 3:30 p.m. to 4 p.m. And European time will be in the morning of Wednesday. And also Friday, the same time, we will be here. We will be here waiting for you. If you have any question, any idea, anything what you can think about for the digital seamless printer, just welcome you to leave the question in the comment area. And during the live broadcast, we are trying our best to reply you all these questions. If later you still have the question, and welcome to visit our website as well, www.coloradotech.com. So leave your question and consult us with our website, our mailbox, and our YouTube channel. Okay, just now we talked about who we are and what we do. And here you could see this is the new model of our printer. You can see here it is 2 rollers, right? And these rollers, it could be shortened, it could be longer. So it could be customized the size. And also the diameter could be different from 60 millimeter to 82 millimeter. Also you can choose 73 millimeter. So the diameter also multiple size for the optional choice. And once if you have a longer one, you could print for the leggings. And once you have this short one, you could print for sock. And also you could print for the sleeve cover. So this is the 4th generation of our new printer, CO60 100 Pro. And all the parameters and function we will put on our website. So welcome you to visit us, www.coloradotech.com. So if you have any question, let me know. So this is who we are and what we do. Okay, so we manufacture all the printers. And what the printer could do. If you have any idea of how and what the printer can do, if anyone has the clue, you can tell me. It could print for any knitted item of the tubular one. So like the sock, the knitted sock, it is the round knitted one and without any seamless. Without any seam, right? So this kind of the item, the sock, the sleeve covers, and also the outdoor, the buff scarves, and the beanies, and even the seamless yoga shorts. The shorts, the boxers, the seamless boxers, and the yoga suit, like the top, the bra, the leggings. So these kind of items are the items that the printer could print. So you can see here, these are the simplest item it could do. The sock. Hi everybody. Hi Mohammed. Okay, I saw someone is asking the question. Okay, that is a good question. So is any necessary step after printing? Hi Lawrence. Hi, welcome you. Okay, so that's Mohammed. I guess that you are in this industry, right? Okay, so your question is very good. So what steps needs to be done after printing? Or if any steps or preparation needs to be done, needs to be prepared before printing? That is a good question. So it depends, actually. For example, like this, the polyester material, you just don't need to do anything before printing. So you just get a blank sock and then load up to the roller and print first. That is the first step. The second step will be send this printed sock to the oven, the heating oven. Later I will show you. So with the heating oven under 180 degrees of the temperature, then around 3 to 4 minutes later, once it turns out in the oven from the oven, then the color will be cured like this. You just can pack it and wear it. It's done. It's very simple, right? So just 2 steps for the polyester. Anything, the sleeve covers, the barf scarves, the beanies, or the leggings, if the material of the printing surface is the polyester material, then you just need 2 steps. The first step, printing, and second step, heating. So the heating is under 180 degrees for 3 to 4 minutes, and then the whole process will be completed. So anything, new question? Let me know. If you have any doubt, any question, will be fine. I'd prefer to help you. Appreciate for your questions. Okay, so just now, what we talked about the steps for the polyester one. And then someone might ask, what will be cotton material, the process? Okay, yes, cotton. That is what I'm talking next. So where I hold this one, it is the cotton. You could see the details, the leaves, the leaf patterns, and the bird, the feathers, the eyes. You could see the details clearly, right? So this is the cotton material. And the process for the cotton will be a little bit complicated compared with the polyester one. This one needs to be soaked first. So the blank sock needs to be soaked first with some chemicals and soak for half an hour. Then after that, you need to spin dry it to get rid of all this liquid. And after that, you dry it, send to the oven for drying. Once it's completely dried, then just load up the sock to the roller on our printer and start printing. After printing, what you need to do is heat it first to dry it. After drying, you just steaming in the steamer. So that is very important to steaming to ensure that the ink which sprayed on the top of the sock will go deeply to the fiber. During steaming, then the color will pump out. You will get very vibrant color then. Okay, I saw someone is asking the question. Hi, Lawrence. Okay, so any kinds of polyester will be okay, right? Microfibers? Yes, actually, polyester will be fine. No difference, actually. If it is Coolmax, it's also a kind of polyester. It's okay. And also the process will be same as the polyester one, just 2 steps. If Microsoft fiber, also fine. Just ensure the surface which gets obtained the ink, the surface is the polyester yarn. That will be okay. And also, you need to be sure that with our printer, you saw it is diameter of the cylinder. So any knitted tubular items without seam, that will be fine. It will be okay. Okay, that's back to the cotton one. So just now we talked after printing, the cotton material needs to be sent to the oven for drying first. And then needs to go for steamer. You're welcome, Lawrence. Welcome. Okay, so after heating and drying it, after printing, this sock needs to be sent to the steamer for steaming to let the ink stay safely in the deep of the fiber of the cotton. And after that, you need to just wash it. And washing process, once you heard it, it's just one word, washing. But actually, the washing finishing is different steps. It needs 6 to 7 times washing with the cold water, hot water, and with different chemicals, maybe the fastness and also the softener in the end, to be sure the hand feel will be okay, and also the color fastness will be good. So with these several steps of the cotton sock, soaking first, printing, and then steaming, and then washing. So after all these steps are finished, then you could get this kind of cotton sock with the good color fastness. Okay, so Lawrence, you're welcome. Mehmet. Okay, so let's talk about these $4. This one, our workers, our operators so far could get 55 to 60 pairs per hour. It's just per hour, 55 to 60 pairs per hour. If you have a little bit longer sock, it might be a little bit slower. So the output depends. It depends on how easy or how difficult the artwork will be. So if you have just one logo, it just prints so fast, maybe just 3 seconds, 5 seconds, then the logo is finished. But it is full over all over printing, and then it needs a little bit longer, like 18 seconds to 20 seconds per piece. So that output of per hour, it depends. Our current customer who is running in real production and the operator without any stop during printing job, and he could reach how many, you guess? Guess? If someone guesses the right number, I will send him free a pair of socks. So let's guess. How many pairs in the actual printing production? Anyone want to try? Try. Mohammed, try a number. Let me know. Or Lawrence? Interesting to try? Okay. So our customer who is in South Africa and who could reach, someone get the number? 2 pairs, no way. 2 pairs, that is kidding. So he could reach 86 pairs per hour. So you can imagine he could print by using this $4 printer, he could print for 86 pairs per hour. Amazing number, right? Amazing output. So actually, the production efficiency is very good. Never mind. So if you are familiar with our printer, you know how good he is. Okay, so our worker, our operator can produce like 55 pairs per hour. And if you fast enough, Or sometimes it's very easy logo print, and you could reach more than 80 pairs per hour. So this is the efficiency of this printer, CO80 210 Pro. Okay, so any question? Welcome you to let me know. And thanks again, and welcome all the new audience and the old audience, and welcome you to follow us, to follow our YouTube channel, and you could subscribe us, and welcome you to watch our live broadcast. Here is Tina. Welcome. Nice to meet you all. Okay, any question? Welcome you to leave any question, and I could help. I'd love to help. So, okay, let's see. Can I get the information about the paint? Okay, so actually it could be anything, picture what you shoot. So in your cell phone, if you find the funny things, you just take a picture and then you can just use it and make the pattern and in the certain size. So based on the certain waist and the length according to the actual length of this print, the sock. And then you can just input this any image to the computer, to the RIP software, New Stampa. And then New Stampa will rip this image and send it to the printer computer. And then with the connection of this computer, it will input to the printer. And then you can just print by using the print software. So any picture that in the ceremony and in the family reunion and with your pet, with your daily fun things, anything, you just give the picture and send it to the RIP software and then input to the print software, then print it out. That's it. Easy, right? So like here, I just have this element of this angel, and I put this angel in everywhere in the certain size, and then I just print it out. So during the Christmas, I have the snow flame or the reindeer. I put all these kind of artwork to the image and I print it out. I have the cat, so I just make the cat eating the watermelon. I just choose this picture and then I print it out. So it could be any format, like JPG format will be okay, like PDF file will be okay, and like the AI file also okay, the TIF file also fine. So no limitation actually for the picture, for the print. Any question? Okay, so welcome you. Really thank you for all of you watch our live broadcast, and welcome you to follow our YouTube channel. And we will be here in every week, Wednesday and Friday. We will be here in the live broadcast. So European time, every Wednesday and Friday in the morning time, around 8:30 to 9 o'clock. And Chinese time will be every Wednesday and Friday in the afternoon, 3:30 p.m. to 4 p.m. Thank you very much. Thank you all for watching. Okay, see you next time. Bye.